Is my Social Security money safe from garnishment? Hi, this is Consumer Protection Attorney Bill Clanton, and I've helped hundreds of consumers, regular folks like me and you, deal with debt collection harassment, inaccurate credit reporting, and other consumer related matters. In this video, I'm talking about whether your Social Security benefits are safe from garnishment. Under Texas law, a person who has a judgment against you can garnish your bank account. Now, this is a point that needs to be made when talking about garnishment in Texas. Your bank account can be garnished. The money you have in a bank account can be taken by somebody who has a judgment against you. Now, maybe a debt collector, maybe somebody else, but that money can be taken. What cannot be taken is your wages. A debt collector cannot go to your employer and say, take out 10% of this person's wages. That is off limits. So your bank account can, your wages cannot. Now, if this is the federal government or a federal debt that you owe, state law does not apply. So a federal debt collector can garnish your wages. You often see this with student loans, or if you get treated at a military hospital. Sometimes military hospitals treat patients who have suffered severe traumas. So those are the two common ways that you may get a federal debt that these rules do not apply to. But for the majority of people, these are state debts, state laws apply. Texas law does not allow for wage garnishment, but it does allow for bank account garnishment. So when it comes to bank account garnishment, if the funds in your bank account are Social Security funds, those cannot be garnished. So your bank should know that your money is Social Security money and should not allow those funds to be garnished. It should be able to trace those to Social Security benefits and should not allow that to be garnished. If the debt collector knows that you have Social Security money in the bank, they should not try to garnish that money. Now, this is important. How do you tell a debt collector that you only have Social Security money in the bank? Well, a debt collector can only get to this stage, to this garnishment stage, if they've gotten a judgment. They can only get a judgment if they filed a lawsuit. So if you have been sued by a debt collector, you need to file an answer. And in that answer, you can say, the only money I have is Social Security money. That will put them on notice. So if they garnish your bank account and are able to freeze it while it has your Social Security money in there, then you can say you knew it and you still did it, and that's a violation of the law. So to wrap up here, Texas law allows for bank garnishment, not wage garnishment. If they're going to garnish your bank account, they cannot take your Social Security funds. The bank should be aware of what money in your account is from Social Security. So rest easy. Debt collectors cannot garnish your Social Security in Texas. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, give us a call, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel. Thank you.